The farmer's market just started up.
Which one?
Oh, right in the downtown.
Right here?
Right here, yeah.
Oh, you're calling it downtown?
Yeah, like downtown.
Oh, on City Terrace Drive?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. Welcome to Living in Los Angeles, my YouTube real estate channel, your ultimate guide to all things real estate in the City of Angels. I'm your host, Victoria Munoz, a licensed realtor with years of experience in the LA market. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest LA real estate, this channel will provide you with insider tips, market updates, and exclusive property tours. So join me as we explore the vibrant neighborhoods, stunning properties, and exciting opportunities that LA has to offer. Let's take a quick look at the housing market snapshot for the areas that I cover. So far, 91 homes are currently active for sale in this area, with Highland Park dominating at 24 homes sold in the last 30 days. Okay, first thing I noticed, parking is really tight here. No, he's right there. The agent's inside.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, I saw it online. It's pretty.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Say what?
$999.
No, those are the prices around here.
So you heard it first, folks. That was one of the neighbors letting me know what homes are selling for in this area. I actually used to live in this area about 30 years ago when my son was small. The neighborhood and prices have changed, so this home is listed at $999,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Spanish-style home. It was built in 1936. So I can't wait to hear from the listing agent himself what remodeling they've done. He's not just the listing agent, he's also the owner. So he bought the home, remodeled it, and put it back on the market. So let's take a tour while we wait to speak to the listing agent. If you need more information, I'll leave the link to this property in the description of the video. By the time you see this video, the property may be sold. So the listed price is subject to change, and the status is also subject to change. Appreciate those closet doors. The way they usually put the mirror doors or barn doors, but I think those style of doors are really nice. I think they could have upgraded the heating system, but I saw the mini splits, which are energy savers. So you can appreciate that, saving money on a new property with heating or cooling. Floors are new. The ceiling, mosaic sky window or on the ceiling was beautiful. Kitchen nicely redone. You will probably need to buy new appliances, farm style sink, cabinetry, hardware. It goes well with the color scheme in this home. It's beautifully staged. There are some original pieces still left in this home, but the home, as you can see, it's beautifully remodeled. I'll go in the back here and last.
Okay, awesome. Let me know if there's any questions. I'll be right on.
This used to be a closet, so the bathtub, this was a closet. They expanded out, so this is all new. This area, windows, floors, electrical, plumbing, all brand new. So I can't wait for you to listen to the listing agent, and here he comes.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, are you? Oh, I was gonna give you my card.
Cool. I'll give you a little flyer. Look around. Let me know if there's any
The
questions.
house came out really nice.
Thank you. Yeah, we put a lot of love into it, a lot of work.
It looks really good.
2.5 months of non-stop.
Construction looks really good.
Thank you. And we have a bottom unit downstairs.
Really?
2 bedrooms. Well, it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, but then they have another room that doesn't have a closet.
So it could be like a bonus room.
Yeah.
We don't say like.
It's a bonus unit because it's non-conforming. It's not a legal duplex.
So it's not on title.
Some of the space down there is living space, we believe.
Yeah.
It's a City Terrace. You don't have like LA City records, so it's really hard to kind of pinpoint what's left. And when we purchased it, there was only 1 bathroom up here. So we added the bathroom that's right over there. So right where that doorway's at was a. So that closet was right there, right? That was literally right where you're standing.
Yeah.
We removed it, and then we made a hallway Originally, there was a door where that tub's at. So this was closed off right here. So this restroom was for the hallway.
So new windows, floors.
New windows, new floors. This was gutted to the studs. Everything is new there.
I like how the ceilings in this home are so high. Yeah.
Spanish Revival architecture is known for that. Especially the living room. I don't know if you take a look at that. That was everyone's favorite.
So, wait a minute, is this original?
Original, yes.
Oh.
Yeah, original. And we have original heater, and then we have mini splits that are heat and AC.
Oh, that's smart. I'm seeing that a lot, like the mini splits instead of the central throughout the
They're a
home.
little bit more energy efficient, or actually significantly.
Wow, this
I
is
would probably
cool.
say you need to add one more into the house, and from what the electrician told us, that there is space to add another one if somebody wanted to add one.
It works really good. I mean, you could feel it when I came in. I could feel.
Yeah.
Well, you did an amazing job.
Thank you, thank you.
And the stagers, who are they?
Stage is a really good staging company. We use them in a lot of our projects. I think it's called.
It ties in with everything. Like the floors, the door, the hardwood, everything ties in. Looks really good. You think it'll sell for like 1.2?
We're pushing for. I don't think 1.2.
Yeah.
I think 1.1 is completely separate.
Wow. This home, you bought it and then you flipped it?
Yeah, we purchased it about 3 months ago. It's about 2.5 months of renovations, and I'm one of the owners and the listing agent.
And go through the kitchen.
Oh yes.
Okay. I'm just so in awe over this house. It's gorgeous. This neighborhood brings back so many memories. Not this street, but this neighborhood. Hi. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hello. Okay, so parking, we would have to go, the alley is back there. I'm guessing it's off City Terrace Drive. So you would turn behind one of the streets, and we can do a drive around after this to show you. So that's the garage. Let's just go down and check it out. Oh, it's locked. Okay, so it's really hot. I want to go back inside, but let's keep checking this out. Let's see if we can check out how to get back here from the alley. This is nice. There's an alley. All right, let's keep going. Oh, let me fix this little plant. Okay, so the guy said, the agent said there's a downstairs that as long as there's a kitchen, and there's a kitchen, it has a separate entrance from the house. So you don't have to come in through the house. What the heck? It keeps going and going and going. All right, laundry room, basement. So there's no closet in here. This is not considered a bedroom. The bedrooms have to have a closet. Closet, bedroom number 1. All right. So potential income property, I would say this you could rent out for maybe $1,800. Here's the restroom. Okay. Let's go back upstairs and do another walkthrough. So that's the school I went to. I don't know if you could see. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. That's my old high school, Wilson. It's listed at $999,000. This is cute.
closet doors. They're so cute. They're better than the ones that we usually see, like the mirrors.
Here maybe, and then have it sit on the flat roof.
So glad we got here early. Good parking space. Could see the amount of interest. There's a lot of people coming to look at this home. All right, we can go around so we can leave. Look at this mirror, it's really nice. I like how there's mirrors all over. The photography. Look at this kitchen.
You got the flyer already. Feel free to take a look around.
Okay, I think we can leave through the side. I didn't get. Let's close the door. Okay, so that's it. We're going to leave. We're at 3855 Woodline Drive in City Terrace. It's LA County, LA 90063.
Maybe these little arches. Yeah. Maybe them all throughout.
Okay, so that's it. That's the tour of City Terrace, or of Woodline. Here's the front of the house. We're done, so let's do the drive around. Okay, so here, Service Street is behind where we were at. I don't know if I want to go through there because it's not a full access on the other side, but it's off City Terrace Drive. As soon as you get off the freeway, that's the 10. So as soon as you exit the freeway, you can turn on Service Street, and that's where we live behind the alley where we were at. So let's take a drive to see what's nearby.
for watching. I hope you liked my video. Take care. Bye-bye.